Hey guys, Coach Bay back with another video. If you are struggling to make content on LinkedIn and you want your engagement impressions to start looking like this for the next month, then stay tuned. This video is for you. So as you may know, I am a career coach and I help people build out resumes, build out self brands, and help them find jobs of their dreams. So if you are an employee and you're like, I don't have any content, I don't know what to post about on LinkedIn, yes, you do. We are going to talk about it now. The easiest way for you to build out your content as a employee searching for work is to talk about your skill set, talk about your interests, and talk about your journey of where you have come from to where you are now. Don't be afraid to be very honest and vulnerable on LinkedIn and talk about your experiences, the good, the bad, and the ugly. People love relatable content and talking about what got you interested in your industry and what has brought you to where you are now, whether working at a FANG company or working at a smaller company, and what you have achieved is all people want to hear about. So you don't have to be some creator or content guru to get results like this. Just be yourself on LinkedIn and it will follow through for you.